In the meantime, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has referred the viral video which led to Mr. Green's resignation to the police. Mr. Holness spoke with journalists at a vaccine mobilization and public education campaign in East Kingston today. Vashon Brown reports.
Disappointed. That was the Prime Minister's first reaction when he saw the video involving Floyd Green and others, including the Councillor for the Mona Division, Andrew Bellamy.
Minister Green himself, having reflected upon it, also expressed his own disappointment and recommitted to ensuring that no such other incident ever occurred.
And as for the others in the video,
we are examining the situation with Councillor Bellamy, and you will hear shortly. And it's not just Councillor Bellamy, there are other persons in the video that we have to look at carefully. So, I have referred the video to the police, and we need advice to see what other actions need to be taken.
Mr. Holness argues that for the COVID-19 containment measures to work, people must follow the rules.
For us to properly manage this pandemic, enforcement is not the tool. We don't have the resources to enforce on every single Jamaican. We manage this pandemic because we have managed to build tremendous social capital. We have managed to get the people on board to follow the protocols, to follow the orders under the DRMA. So we have not relied heavily on enforcement. We have relied on the trust and confidence of the people in voluntary compliance.
He says it is important for government officials to practice what they preach. In other words, he argues that it does not look good for the government to tell people to comply with the COVID-19 measures while blatantly breaching the rules.
And I think Minister Green recognized this, that it was important that ministers exemplify the law, and what he did is admirable in offering his resignation, and indeed there was no option other than to, it was the right thing, and he did the right thing. It is a loss for the cabinet. Minister Green shows great potential, and a part of our discussion was how we could utilize the experience that he would have gained in government in other areas.
The Prime Minister says he will work out the details regarding how Mr. Green's talents will be used by the government. Vashon Brown, TVJ News.